Hello everybody, Mathmagic here. Today I will solve a very interesting inequality question, or rather geometric mean related question, which came in the Olympiad of Francophone in the year 2021, that is in this year. The question reads, let R and S be the numbers defined by R equals to 1 by 2 times, 3 by 4 times, 5 by 7 times, and so on till 2 to 3 by 2 to 4, and S is defined by 2 by 3 times 4 by 5 times 6 by 7, and so on till 2 to 4 by 2 to 5. We have to prove that R is less than 1 by 15 less than S. Let's get into work. First of all, notice that you can see here the denominators are 2, 4, 7 and numerators are 1, 3, 5 and so on. That is in case of R. R is followed, R can be written as the odd numbers multiplication by the even numbers multiplication. Okay, and S can be written by even numbers multiplication by odd numbers multiplication, right? Now this gives us a hint. So as we multiply R and S, we should get most of the odd numbers being cut out and also the even numbers being cut out, and that's what we will exactly do. So what we do is R multiplied by S. Notice here R has numerator 1 followed by denominator 2. This 2 is cut by this 2 on the numerator of S. Similarly 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till 2 to 4 is being cut out, and we are left with this 2 to 5. So this is 1 by 2 to 5. Now this is 1 by 15 squared, right? So I can say root over of R and S is 1 by 15. Now I will take only positive values because in the question we have the positive value. Now you can see this is the GM of R and S. GM of R and S. So now you know that the GM of R and S is between the smaller value, that is minimum of R and S, and less than the maximum value of R and S. So we need to find the minimum and the maximum value between R and S. So to prove the above question, we just need to show that R is less than S. So we need to prove R is less than S, and that's what we will do now. Notice that the first term of R is less than first term of S. That is, I am talking about the first term of R is half. Actually that is a single term, but I am talking about the first part. Half is obviously less than 2 by 3. This is why, because 3 is less than 4. Similarly, second term of R is less than second term of S. I'm sorry for the missing the off. Okay, so this is what 3 by 4 is less than 4 by 5, because you see 3 5s are 15 and 4 4s are 16, which is obviously true, and so on till nth term of R is less than nth term of S. Yes, and that is also proved. So we can say the multiplication of these R is less than S, and hence proved. And so we will show that R is less than 15, 1 by 15 is less than S, and that is proved. Well, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching the whole video till now, till the end. Give a like to the video if you liked it, and also comment if there are any mistakes in the videos, and also there is a Google form link will be given which in the description. Please go, and if you have any questions on mathematics on any fields, you can post your doubts there and I will try to make a video on your doubts. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.